do some unboxing. Okay, for a few years. So this first one, I didn't know that I ordered this. It's a car phone. So definitely gonna test it out tomorrow. Let's see. Actually a fun color sweater, so you can do, you could have this card here, you get the card and you can get so you can have the cleaning, fun color sorting, or you just gonna find it, or you could just do this also. Some of this already, but this is something different. This one is two sets. It's gonna be fun to compare. Lightweight, waterproof. So different color, different sizes. I only have one set, but we needed quite a few more. And it's very light for backpacking. So we are excited to use this. That's what you need. It's a lightweight dry bag. Called it different, but anyway, so that's one. And I think I've bought a couple of them. This one is travel backpack. Travel. Oh, okay. Let's see. We're gonna see if this one fits through the backpack. So it looks like this is a pretty big one. So it's the waterproof travel or backpack. Like I said, we have an upcoming backpack packing soon, so we need a travel cover for our backpack. You can tell it's nice this is a lightweight this is Anyway, so this is for my power bank holder. I got two, just to keep it safe. Okay. I do have like two power banks and then put them away. It's lightweight, but it's still thinking if I want to use this because I need another one to put my GoPro in the batteries. So I just need to get one that fits the GoPro, the batteries, and the power bank. Let's see. We want to keep those two. Second one here, what's in here? Alright, there's another set of the lightweight drive. Look at the big one. Okay. That's good. That's a big one. Where's the second one? The different sizes. Very lightweight dry bags. Alright. So I have that two here. We just gotta go make sure we pack our backpacking and minimize all this stuff. We don't want to be carrying too much. Okay. And the last one. Okay, so they said it's a really nice bra. It's like a sports bra. If I find the link for I order this, maybe I'll put it on the link. We'll see how that goes. I have the link This is nice because there's no strap that you need, and pretty much once that you put this is the one that goes in the back. Some of them are already open. The main thing I definitely need. I'm gonna try this. If this isn't one I'm gonna be bringing, I'm gonna do complete backpacking. Come up on backpacking. I'm gonna see this is if I can order a bigger one that will fit everything, which is my GoPro, the batteries for the GoPro, and portable charger, which is this. I'll probably just need one, but I can put everything in it. It just still keep it safe and I don't mess it up. Definitely, this is definitely I'm gonna be using this and this. Okay. The rest of them, like I said, this is just for the car. And that one, and of course, so I'll have a separate video on this one, put it together.